Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beetroot sauerkraut. Fermentation is a wonderful process that transforms simple vegetables into a probiotic powerhouse, boosting your gut health and enhancing nutrient absorption. You'll discover how easy it is to create this vibrant, tangy condiment using just a few key ingredients. Get ready to unlock a world of flavor and wellness with this simple, yet incredibly rewarding, kitchen project. Let's get started on this exciting culinary adventure together. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 3/4 pounds of cabbage and 7 ounces of beetroot. Shred or grate them finely. Next, it's crucial to weigh your vegetables accurately. For every 100 grams of vegetables, you'll need 2 grams of non-iodized salt. Combine the shredded vegetables with the salt in a large bowl, then massage them vigorously for about 10 minutes. This action helps draw out the natural juices, forming the brine for fermentation. Once your vegetables have released enough liquid, it's time to pack them into a clean, sterilized jar. Press the mixture down firmly, eliminating any air pockets. It's essential that all the vegetables are completely submerged under their own brine. You can use a smaller cabbage leaf or a fermentation weight to keep them down. Loosely cover the jar and place it in a cool, dark spot, ideally between 65 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. This environment is perfect for the beneficial bacteria to thrive. Monitor your sauerkraut daily. You should see small bubbles forming, indicating active fermentation. For a lightly fermented, crunchy kraut, 3 to 5 days is often enough. If you prefer a tangier flavor, let it ferment for up to 2 or 3 weeks, tasting occasionally with a clean utensil. Once it reaches your desired taste, secure the lid and transfer it to the refrigerator. Your delicious beetroot sauerkraut will keep well for 3 to 6 months, ready to enjoy anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.